What's up guys, it's your boy Anthony Arundel, bring you once again another TTC Toni-Tech Cave tutorial. Man, I've missed you guys, but I am back. And today we're going to be flashing something differently. We're going to be flashing a brand new ROM for the Tanix TX3 Max. It's going to be the Android TV experience coming up. Woo! Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the ROM. There's two parts to this. First, you install the ROM and then we're going to install a zip file. The first thing that you want to do is you want to download the setup, or in this case, a USB burn-in tool 2.08. That is a file that I will be putting in the description below so that you guys can download it. So we're going to start with installing it, obviously. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to double click this file, setup 2.08. We click on OK. Just as always, next, until it's finally installed. I already had this file installed, so for me it's just gonna most probably ask me if I wanna overwrite it. USB burn-in tool, I see that I still have it on, so we're just gonna turn this off and then continue with the setup. So what you wanna do is yes, next, yes. And what this will do is that this will install the drivers as well. So you have the programs and the driver. Okay. So now the program is installed and you're going to find an icon on the desktop called USB burn-in tool. Here it is for me. We're going to click that. And as you can see, this thing is already in Chinese. We don't want that. We want this thing to be in English. So how are we going to fix that? If you look all the way to the top here, you will see English. Click on that, make it in English. And now you want to load the ROM. The ROM will be also included in the description below. Let's see, I'm just gonna go to import image, and here it is, Android atvXperience S905W version 2H. This is the final and the latest, guys. Trust me, this ROM is on fire. I've been using it for the last couple of days just to test it out, and I must say I'm extremely happy with it. So now the next part is getting your box. Here you have two ports. What you want to do is you want to get the middle port here. Or the second one. Let me see if I can zoom in like this. Focus down your side. Yes! Here we have two USB ports. What you want to do is you want to do it on USB. This one. This will be the second one. And the one in the middle between all of this crap, the SD and the USB, you want to take the middle one. Okay? Okay. What you want to do is you just want to plug it in and your computer should see. You don't have to push any extra button or nothing. You just want to plug this in. Your computer should start chiming in a few. See, you heard that? It started chiming and there you go. Connected successfully. Once it's been connected successfully, man, I can't even say successfully. Once it's been connected, and once it's been connected successfully, there you go, I got it. What you want to do is you want to make sure, like always, that these two buttons are, everything here is untouched. And you want to click on start. I'm going to click on start. And then it should start erasing everything and it should start doing its magic. Okay guys, it is almost finished with the whole process of installing the software. So we're just gonna wait it off in a while, and once it is done installing, it will be safe to, just like always, plug it out, hook it up to your TV, test it out for a second. You will notice, however, that on the display of the box itself, it will keep saying boot. But that's because we still have to install the drivers for the clock itself. So we're gonna do that right away. As soon as this is done, first we're gonna wait until it's done, and when it hits 100%, then we can continue. It should be done in a few. It would have been nice if it was done now, because that would have go perfectly with my story, but I guess we just gotta wait. All right guys, as you can see, it is now 100% done. So what you wanna do is, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna click stop. Let's see, stop, yes. Then you wanna plug, oh, hold on. Then you wanna plug your box out. Boom. Take it out, and it is pretty much done, but we're gonna do the rest of it, or we're gonna fix the display in a few seconds. Stick around for that. Okay guys, and the second part of the mod, all you want is to make sure that you get the display, the mini display working on the box. You want to get this into recovery. There are many ways of getting this into recovery. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to install a recovery program or reboot program. So you want to come here, you want to type reboot. And then you should get a few options. There's not a lot of options on Android TV, by the way. So what you want to do is you want to look for this one here, TV Boot. I have already installed it, but you want to install it. And once that's installed, you want to open it up. And make sure that you go into recovery. And while that's going to recovery, you just gotta make sure that your memory card is already in with your mini display file or on the box, wherever you want to save it. That's up to you. I moved it to the box earlier, you know, off camera. So my file is on the box. What you want to do is you want to go to install. And once you're installed, you go to wherever you save it. If you have it on the SD card, you go to select, and then you pick your SD card or your USB, OTV, whatever. Mine right now is on the internal storage, and I put it on the downloads. So as you can see, I have the file right here, the TX Mini Clock Display. Let me see if I can zoom in just a tad bit more. There you go. See that? Okay, and it's not really zooming. Well, so much for that. We're just gonna go back and pretend like that did not happen. There you go. Okay, here you have the TX Mini 3 display patch. And once you're there, all you want to do is you want to burn that bad boy. So let's go over here. Let's see, let's select the file, obviously. So you're gonna see me click on it like that. And then what you want to do is you want to slide this to install, like this. And that's it. It now says done. Let me see if I can zoom in. See that? It now says done. And once that's done, guys, the display on the box should be good. So let's reboot the box. And let's see if the display is gonna work. If I look at the display, keep saying boot. Boot, boot, boot. And once it's been fully booted, it should no longer stop. Oh, by the way, guys, this is how this looks booting up. Let me zoom out just a little bit so you guys can see. It's Android TV experience, how it boots up. By the way, once you boot it, bro or sis, it's gonna take a long time on the first boot. So don't be scared. It's just the way it is. And now when I zoom in on the box, earlier it was just on boot. But now, as you can see, the box now, hold on. The box now gives the time. So that's how you flash this ROM, guys. And you know, seeing as we're already here, I mean, I might as well just give you like a quick run through of this ROM. When you first get the ROM, it's pretty minimalistic. If you go inside of the menu or inside of the app drawer, there are really not much applications that do come with it, because this ROM is not about the applications, it's about the stability and what it does. And guys, this ROM is extremely stable. I actually prefer this ROM way more than the original ROM. And plus, these guys from atvXperience, they update their ROMs a lot and very often. So we're gonna be doing a lot of tutorials in the coming days with different boxes on this specific ROM, which works fantastically. You can see, guys, here I have 7 apps. So it doesn't come with a lot of applications, but it's not about the applications, it's about how stable the ROM is and all the features that it comes with. If you go into TV settings, you will see the options. So now we're just gonna have a quick look here. And HDMI CEC, well, this is an option that I always need to have on, by the way. So when you turn the box off, the TV goes off, and when you turn the TV on, the box goes on. But anyhow, guys, you guys gonna have to play around with this ROM and see what you think about it. It comes with a lot of stability and patches, the latest and the greatest from Android. So if you want to have a really good experience and you want to have your box running very fast, because this is much better than it used to be, then I say, guys, please give it a shot. It's a very nice ROM. It works perfectly. It does everything that I need it to do. And yeah, that's how you get ahead. You mod your box and you make it cool. Like, if that did work out for you and it helped you in some kind of a way, and you want to show a little bit of appreciation, I say, hey, listen, if you haven't subscribed already or haven't liked, how about you do that right now? I mean, well, after the video, yeah. Well, thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.